Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to connect this brushless motor with the ESC. So this is the ESC we are going to connect this motor with, and we need a servo tester as I do not have a flight controller to test this with. So this is a servo tester, ESC and brushless motor, and these two are the 12-volt input pins that I will connect with ESC. So I will first tell you how to connect. So there are three wires connect from the AC and the three wires connect from a brushless motor. So to make sure, first connect the center wire of the brushless motor to the center wire of ESC. So now I can show you the center wire must be connected to the center wire of ESC. And later we can connect the another wire anywhere to anywhere. So that if you want, you can change the direction by swapping those two wires. Side wire, if you swap, the direction will change. So this is connected. So now we will take the servo tester and we will show you. So there are S positive, negative. So S is for likely for signals, and orange defines S, red defines positive, brown defines negative. So we will connect them in the proper sequence. Connected successfully. We are done with this. Now we just need to give the power to the ESC. These are the two main pins, positive and negative. We will connect them respectively. And you can see it has started. So we can just test it. Oh, yes, it's working. So now I will show you how to connect the propeller. So this is the main shaft which is going on the motor. We'll just connect this. Then this is one of the main thing which will go on the motor, and the whole side should go inside this like this full. Then I do not have the propeller right now, so I will just use this. We'll connect this, and like this we are just going to tighten it. So this is a bit process. Once it's tight properly enough, so we will take this rod and put in the small hole, and then we will just tight it enough so that it does not move. So this is already tight enough, so we'll just test it. So let's okay it moves. You might think why this motor is so slow, because I have connected the low power supply. If you want to see its full speed, I have uploaded a shot where I have that full throttle test. You can check that. Thank you and subscribe for more.